Hey YouTubers, it is Gizzy Greenfingers here, and in front of you is my Sycamore. And not had it long, I plucked it from a client's garden, but I've been cutting it back for the last 4 or 5 years, I don't know, it's been a while, it has been a long time. But I've been looking at it, now it's starting to lose its leaves because we're coming into autumn. Well, we are in autumn. It's pretty depressing. The sun doesn't even come out anymore in England. It's been a depressing day, but this has got some nice movement going on. Oh, sorry about that noise. But what are we going to be doing today? Well, it's something I'm not quite happy about. And if we rotate it to this angle, what do you think I'm not happy about? Well, it's this branch here. It's that branch there. Now, we've got a lot going on this side and down here, and then you come up on this bit of the shaft and you work your way up, and we've just got nothing going on, and that just goes straight up. I don't like that. I don't want that. So we're going to get the biggest wire I can find and have, and I can't do this with one hand, so I'll have to just put you on a tripod and show you what sort of bend I want. Hey, welcome back, YouTubers. I got you on that tripod. Now, what am I trying to get from what I'm trying to do? What I'll try and show you now. You ready? You watching this? Oh, a bit gassy today. So I want to bend that like that. So that goes down a bit more, and you got that branch going up, so that can do its thing, but that needs bending down like that for the look I'm going for. Hey, but Gizzy, have you got a wire big enough to do that? I don't actually know. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back. And yeah, well, no, we have not got any of the black wire that is my thickest gauge available. So I've bought I had this, and I think this is a 4mm, which probably won't be sufficient enough for what I need it for. So we may have to double up, ladies and gentlemen. But do I want to remove? I'm gonna have to remove all these wires here first. Let's see me a little. See all those wires? Well, I've done them quite a while ago, I think. I think they can come off. When did I did. I swear I did. Well, they're coming off because I need to take that off because I'm going to start wrapping it from here, and then that'll be taking all that pressure to get onto that bit. So let's hope. That was. I honestly can't remember when I did buy that. Is it gonna hold? Oh no, he lost another leaf. That's alright. They're coming off. Let's just cut that off. See what I'm doing? Not really, can you? How's that? How's that? Yeah, I want to cut all this wire away from the actual tree. I mean, it seems to be holding. By God, it seems to be holding. That's good. That's good. So that's that bit sorted. Now we move our way down the shaft. We got that going on. Coming out. Oh, that's not the easiest to try and cut away. Oh. I make it look easy. By God, you do, Gizzy. You need. Oh yeah, I think all these wires need coming off because from what I've seen so far, it seems to be keeping its shape. Yeah, that kept its shape then. You couldn't see it, but yeah, it's kept its shape. That, oh yeah, that doesn't look natural, but that's how I want it for the whole aesthetics. Right, that's the one we're going to be wiring. That's everything out of my way. Oh, just going to have a break. My back is killing. So, you be tubers, my back has rested for about a minute, which was, it was good, I'll just try and get you in a good angle. So we're going to use that 4mm I've got, and we're going to be wiring that like that, because that's how I want that to look, the main branch structuring it anyway. And so we've got quite a lot of force going into that bend, and when you're wiring with 4mm, you're going to have to keep that like that with the wire, which is quite difficult. It is quite difficult when you're doing it on your lonesome. But we'll work it out, But you've got quite a lot of flex in that. I'm happy with that. That's going to have to come out. Quite long. All that is in my way. I'm just going to cut that bit out, just so it's not in my way. And find that 4mm I had. Now, I may not talk now because I need to concentrate, and that's quite difficult for me to do, usually. Right, now this is where, like that, this is where you need to get that bend how you wanted that. You can see how much movement I've got made because it's not even keeping the tree in shape. Right, let's get that going like that. Right, now it's time to get that bend in shape. You see what I'm doing? Really? How's that? So that's that one. I'm going to bend that like that. I told you I wouldn't talk because I was concentrating. Woo! Right. Now we're getting the second wire. Yeah, we're going to get second wire going on. That's not sufficient enough for my liking. Now what I like to try to do is try to get it in the same way as I started that one. And hopefully maybe somewhere like that. But it's a 4mm, ladies and gentlemen. It's not the easiest to try to manipulate in the way you want it to be manipulated. Oh. But we're getting there. Right, now this is what I need to do. Oh, that's hurting the old back, that is. But this is where I need to concentrate now and get that bend going again. Hey, he's bloody done it. He's bloody done it. Probably do that. So it doesn't make that look so kinked. Don't make that looking too kinked. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Happy with that. There's some of that going on there. Crap going on here. This one will be coming up. A lot of it's got a lot of work that needs doing, but so far, look at her. She's looking great. I like that. I just really like that. That looks just really nice. It's got a nice curve. So yeah, we'll take these wires off. I think they've done their purpose, to be fair. And then that's all we've just done. And I'm happy with how that's going. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy. That's it. That is my Sycamore. Oh, in memory of Sycamore Gap. Bless it. But yeah, I like that. I like how I'm getting that structured. Well, if you want to say anything, just tell me. Tell me what you think. But hopefully I will see you next time. Ta-ra for now. Kissy green fingers.